Why do some businesses end up having to pay huge fines even after they thought their old computers were safely collected? Why do councils keep warning about rogue waste operators? And how can a simple mistake in choosing the wrong handler put a company at legal and financial risk? Today we look at the hidden dangers of unlicensed waste collection and what every business needs to know to stay safe. Imagine this. A company clears out an office, pays someone cheap to take away their equipment, and believes the problem is solved. Weeks later, investigators trace fly-tipped electronics back to that business. The fine is not small, the reputational damage is worse. Could this really happen to any company that just wants to get rid of old IT? The answer is yes, and the reasons will surprise you. Unlicensed handlers of waste are everywhere. They promise quick and low-cost collections, but they often dump waste illegally. What they leave behind is a paper trail that points back to the business that produced the waste, not the people who dumped it. That means the responsibility and the penalties land with the original owner. This is not just about waste. Think about data left on old laptops, phones, or servers. In the wrong hands, that data can lead to security breaches or legal action. A single hard drive in the wrong place can undo years of work and trust. So what is the safeguard? Well, it starts with one simple rule: always check for license. In the UK, waste handlers must have permits and issue transfer notes. Without the paperwork, you are exposed. With it, you have a legal protection. Compliance is not paperwork for its own sake, it's the difference between security and risk, between safety and liability. When electronics are handled by licensed professional operators, the chain of custody is clear. Data is destroyed, hardware is reused or recycled properly, and businesses avoid fines. That is how organizations protect themselves while also doing the right thing for the environment. If this breakdown helped you see the hidden risks more clearly, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into technology, recycling, and compliance issues that affect every business. Thank you.